Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Aditya Ramadhan and my name is 90250031. Today I want to going to present my project for the English 2 course. My presentation will focus on two topics, the computer system and the operating system. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the essence of a computer. Basically, a computer is an electronic device designed to manipulate data, but it's not just about the calculation. It has the incredible ability to store, retrieve, and process that data into something we can actually use. Every computer system works through four primary functions. It takes input, process the data using logic, and it stores information for later. And finally, it provides output that we can see in our screen. And then, now let's talk about the hardware. Hardware is tangible side of a computer, the physical part that you can actually see and touch. Without hardware, software would have no place to run. There are three critical components you should know. The first one is the CPU, which acts as the brain by processing every instruction. The second one, the RAM, which provides short-term memory to handle your current work quickly. And the third one, the storage, like an SSD or hard disk or HDD, where all your photos, documents, and the operating system are saved permanently there. Okay, moving to the next slide, we will define software. While hardware is something we can touch, software is the opposite. It is intangible. Software is essentially a set of instruction, data, or program used to operate computers and execute specific tasks or works. And in short, it tells the hardware exactly what to do. Generally, we divide software into two main categories: system software, which keep the computer running smoothly, and application software, which are the program we use to get our work done. And then, let's look at the most vital part of the system, the operating system. Or we can talk about the OS. You can think of the OS as the manager of the computer. It is the most important software because it manages all the memory and process, as well as all of its hardware and software. Without an operating system, a user cannot interact directly with the computer hardware. It coordinates everything to make sure every program gets what it needs to run properly. And then, now that we know what an operating system does, let's look at the most common example. The first one, we have the Microsoft Windows, which is the most popular OS for the personal computer and business environment worldwide. I'm used to Windows. The second one, we have the macOS by the Apple, which is famous for its creative design and smooth interaction with the Apple products. And the third one, we have Linux, an open source operating system that is highly secure and favored by many developers. And finally, let's not forget about mobile operating system. It's like Android or iOS, which power almost every smartphone and tablet we use today. Okay, on the slide 7, we focus on application software. If the operating system is the background manager, application software represents the tools we interact with directly to get things done. These programs are designed for a specific task. For example, we use productivity tools like Microsoft Word or Excel for our assignment. We use web browser like Chrome or Safari or the Mozilla to access the internet. And we use media players to enjoy music or watch videos. Essentially, application software is what makes a computer useful for our daily needs. And then that brings us to the end of my presentation. To summarize, we have explored the essential component of a computer system, from the physical hardware to the invisible power of hardware and operating system. I hope this explanation has been clear and helpful for your understanding of IT fundamentals. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Again, my name is Rizky Aditya Ramadhan. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.